Hello friends, welcome back to our channel CHAK with Knowledge. This is the only channel where you get all the important updates about banking. So friends, if you don't have debit card and you still want to register for PNB 1, now you can register for PNB 1 without debit card. Simply following these steps. Step number 1, enter your account number. Step number 2, enter PAN or voter ID card or other OVD document and date of birth. Step number 3 is after OTP authentication, answer 2 questions based on your account. Step number 4, set login and transaction password. And step number 5, transaction facility will be available after 72 hours. So friends, these were the 5 steps by which you can register for PNB 1 without debit card. I hope this video helps you to register for PNB 1. If you have any questions or doubts, you can ask me in comment section or you can mail me also. And for more important videos like this, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. So see you in the next video. Thank you.